Once in a while, something really special comes on the market. Today, we're excited to share with you 302 Smith Court here at Independence Harbor. This oversized two-bedroom has almost 1,650 square feet, and it's just been completely renovated and reimagined. The fixtures and finishes are extraordinary. You're gonna love this home. I'm Nelson Chen. Be sure to come check it out with us, and until then, take a look around.